Good day guys, welcome back to the Goku channel who likes drawing anime. In this video we will draw the epic Goku Ultra Instinct as a symbol of strength and steadfastness. Get ready to witness the uniqueness and fun of drawing this cool anime. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's go!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
To explain the character outline, I used a Sakura micron pen with a size 8 blank.
The highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
To make the shadow color and base color of his hair, I used light gray and dark gray because Goku Ultra Instinct is dominant with this color.
Grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a robber's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me.
To color skin, you should use at least 2 colors. To get a realistic effect of shading, and use a skin color pen with the right contrast.
It's a robber's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. thing that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a roller spot without an alibi. Took my hands without an alibi.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
And that's all. Drawing Goku Ultra Instinct is ready. Thank you for watching the channel Boha Cool, and thank you for sharing your time to watch this video. One message for you: never stop practicing. I hope this video inspires you to keep drawing, okay? See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe. See you next time.